take a look at this thing. It's creepy, slippery, and covered in thick slime. This is a hagfish. It slithers around the ocean floor all over the world. While it might not look appetizing, people eat hagfish and consider it a delicacy. But why? And what does it have to do with a time before dinosaurs walked the earth, overfishing in Korea, a violent cooking process, and lots of slime? Keep watching to discover how and why people chow down on this deep water creature. Known in Korea as komchaengcheo, sorry for the pronunciation, hagfish are unique animals. Some people mistakenly think they're a member of the eel family, but they are a 300-million-year-old species of deep-water fish. They look almost exactly the same as they did during the Paleozoic era. That was before dinosaurs even roamed the earth. Hagfish are the only known living animal with a skull but no spine. They also don't have jaws or a stomach, and they mainly eat sea creatures that die and sink to the ocean floor. They're an essential part of the circle of life. During the Japanese colonial era, people used the fish's tough leather-like skin to create products, from wallets to belts. After the Korean War in 1953, people began eating hagfish meat. Overfishing made other species less available. Once people discovered that hagfish contain lots of protein, it became common to eat them. Koreans eat so much hagfish that scientists estimate about 20% of hagfish species face an elevated risk of becoming extinct. And Korean fisheries are so depleted that these days most hagfish Koreans eat are imported from the United States. By now, you're probably wondering how to eat a hagfish. Well, it's not a gentle process, I'll tell you that, and it's not for the faint of heart. To be eaten as fresh as possible, hagfish get skinned alive, chopped into segments, and thrown onto a grill still moving. There are many different ways to enjoy hagfish. You could grill it with onion and garlic, or cover it with gochujang, a Korean red pepper paste. People eat it on a skewer or add it to stir-fries with scallions and kimchi. When cooked, hagfish has a firm, springy texture that's more like meat than other fish or eel. When marinated in gochujang, it can be nice and spicy. The unmarinated fish can have a bit of a fishy aroma. And oh yeah, the slime. We can't talk about hagfish without discussing its impressive slime. A single hagfish can produce 20 liters of slime in one go, which it uses to repel predators. While it might look gross, researchers are investigating hagfish slime due to its unique properties. It is incredibly strong, 10,000 times softer than gelatin, and rich in protein. There's a rumor slime was used to replace egg white, and researchers are developing all kinds of new food replacements, including a tofu-like product called soy slime. There is no telling what else they can do with this amazing stuff. So what do you think? Are you brave enough to try eating hagfish? Or do you think it's better to leave them on the ocean floor? If you're up for a look at a different slippery food, check out our video on boba and the body part it may or may not have been named after. Next on Origins of Food.